Jai Shri Ram. Today we are exploring some of the most profound chopais of the Hanuman Chalisa and highlighting the unmatched glory of Hanuman as his selfless service to Lord Ram. Let's recite these verses together. सहस बदन तुम रोज गावे, अस कही श्रीपति कंठ लगावे. शंकादिक ब्रह्मांड मुनीसा, नारद सारद सहित अहिंसा. जम कुबेर दिक्पाल जहाँ ते, कभी कोविद कही सके कहाँ ते. तुम उपकार सुग्रीव किन्हा, राम मिलाए राजपद दिन. Now let's delve into the meaning of each of these chopais. सहस बदन तुम रोजस गावे, अस कही श्रीपति कंठ लगावे. This means even with 1,000 mouths, they sing your praise and saying, "This Lord Vishnu embrace you." This verse highlights the immense glory of Hanuman and stating that even countless mouths would be insufficient to fully describe his virtues. Lord Vishnu himself embraced Hanuman, acknowledging his greatness. Sankadik Brahmand Munisa Narad Sarad Sahit Ahisa. This means sages like Shanka, Brahma and others along with Narada, Sharada and Shesha praise you. This verse mentions the various divine beings and sages who sing praise of Hanuman, including Shanka, Brahma, Narada, Sharada and Shesha, the serpent king. जम कुबेर दिक्पाल जहाँ ते, कभी कोविद कही सके कहाँ ते. This means Yam, Kuber and the guardians of the directions. How can poet, the scholars describe your glory? This verse emphasizes that even a divine being like Yam, the god of death, Kubera, the god of wealth, and the Dikpals, the guardians of the directions, cannot fully describe Hanuman's glory. If they cannot, then how can mere poets and scholars do? तुम उपकार सुग्रीव किन्हा, राम मिलाए राजपद दिहा. This means you did a great favor to Sugriva by making him meet Ram and giving him the kingdom. This verse highlights the Hanuman's selfless service to Sugriva. Hanuman's help Sugriv meet to Lord Ram, which led to Sugriv regaining his kingdom. These chopais beautifully illustrate Hanuman's unmatched glory and his selfless service. They emphasize that his virtues are beyond description and that his devotions benefit all those who seek his help. And if you found this explanation helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more insightful content of Hanuman Chalisa. And please let me know in the comment what other parts of the Hanuman Chalisa you would like me to cover. And at the end, Jai Shri Ram.